Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most important and useful feature of a project Libre. So if you want to start a new project, you're going to write down the name, and since I'm going to talk about the calendars, uh, I'm going to name it calendar, and let's my name be the manager name. In the third part, you see that the start date is the 5th of December, it's a today date. And the program is giving you a feature of changing the start date to finish date, so you will know when is the last day of your work and you will schedule based on that. But I'm going to use the start date as a default one. Okay, you see that two-part screens here, and in the name part, you write down the name of the task that you are going to do. I'm randomly writing them as a task 2, 3, and task 4. Okay, random names. And as you see in the right side of the screen, there is a bar that shows the number of the day required for each of the tasks. And in here, duration is it requires you to mention the names, the number of days that each of the tasks is required to be done, because usually they are like predecessor of each other, and even if they are not predecessor of each other, in order to organize your project and have a good schedule, you need to have a specific or even estimated days about the days that it takes each of the tasks to be done. Okay, randomly I will write down 5 days for each of them, so we have the same thing for all of them. And in the right side, you see that bars are showing the day that it's going to start to finish, like Monday to Friday. Actually, let's make it 8 days. So in here you will see the impact of holidays. Okay, so we are going to save this default one as the baseline, and then we can go to calendar. And as you see, like, the calendar of the project libre is based on the standard, which is a Saturday and Sundays as holidays, and there's a specific international holidays that is mentioned and applied in the calendar part. But if you are working in a country like that has a different holiday day offs, like Muslim countries that have Friday as a day off, or even if your project you are going to put an off for your works on Mondays, you can choose the Mondays as your day offs. Okay, usually all of them are based on a standard, as you see. So if I want to change, like, I don't want Saturdays as my working days, it's an default working, and you see that, like, we can even change the timing of the working days, and let's say Saturday is still non-working. Okay, and I'm going to choose this Mondays as a user default, so which is my holiday. Okay, and here I'm going to make a new calendar, and my calendar is like 7 days of work. I want to have a okay, and okay. So in here for the task one, some of the tasks in our project is going to be based on resources used, which is using matchings for 24 hours. So if I'm going to say that 8 days it takes for my this task to be done based on the resources that is working, if my matchings are working 24 hours, so basically 24 hours of working day reduces the number of days dramatically. Okay, so excuse me. Okay, in here I'm going to open up for the task one to the advanced part, and task calendar for the task one. What's your required working hours? If it's a standard, let's keep it as a standard. Okay, and see there isn't anything changed, but in here for the task one, task two in the advanced part again, It's let's say my employee are working at night in the project team because in the day during the day it's a company and they are working, so I need to work at nights with my team, and it's a night shift. So you see that there is a change happen in the duration of the work and the starting and finishing time. My task tree would be like it's based on the resources, and I'm planning and scheduling my resources which are working 24 hours. Okay, I applied that, and you see the right side, the timing has changed a lot. Okay, and the fourth task, let's say it's 7 days, 7 days work. Okay, yeah, you see again changes happen here. So basically this feature allows people to manage their task based on their required and needs, and everybody with a different calendar and different time can take advantage of this program and schedule their work properly. Thank you.